Good practice today, Kale.
Thanks, man.
Looked like you were playing mini golf out there today.
You call that a slap shot?
Yeah, I do.
I don't.
You gonna be able to grow a beard this year, or are you going with the rugged peach fuzz look?
Peach fuzz jokes? Real nice, Gabe. Real nice. What are you doing? This Pepsi Zero Sugar bottle is recycling, not trash. Recycling belongs in the recycling bin. Classic Gabe. Always one step behind.
Oh. Okay, Kale. Yeah. Okay.
Do I have to teach you everything?
You know, maybe you should just play hopscotch.
What?
Clearly, hockey's not your thing. Or maybe you should join a shuffleboard league.
What's it like doing everything wrong? Hey, let me see your glove for a second.
Your face looks like a baby.